Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If cicadas have already emerged in your yard, there are several ways to get rid of them. Spray them off your trees and plants with a water hose. Use your hands to remove them. I know, it sounds gross. Place sticky traps on your trees. This will prevent them from moving any farther.
Make your mark, take our lead.
And what happens to them? Here are some answers. The Great Brood X cicada invasion of 2021 can't last forever. The loud and tasty insects that appear every 17 years have been seen and heard around central Indiana for a few weeks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.